only way to get Prashant to apologize is to show that he was wrong. I can only quote what the Attorney General of India said. The court asked the Attorney General, Mr. Attorney General, don't you think we should give him 2 or 3 days to reconsider? Mr. Venugopal, Attorney General, stood up and said, sir, I have known Prashant for 30 years. He's not going to change. The only way to get Prashant to apologize is to show that he was wrong. There is simply no other way in this world, no matter what power, no matter who comes, and in Prashant Bhushan's case, even God himself. I was pleasantly surprised. I must salute Mr. Venugopal, if only because I was so annoyed with his silence in the past. Here is remember, Attorney General is not an advocate for the government. Attorney General is a constitutional position. Attorney General can stand up in the court and say, "Me Lord, you are not doing something right." That's his constitutional duty. So I am glad that belatedly Mr. Venugopal stood up. For once I felt, okay, there is an Attorney General in this country. Enormously, pleasantly so. First of all, I was surprised by the way the entire legal fraternity stood up. Mainstream lawyers who are not the agitationist types, who may not agree with Prashant Bhushan's political views, but the manner in which the legal fraternity in this country has stood up, that has surprised me, that has given me hope. BJP, some of the men have thankfully written, we hated him, but today he defends democracy, we are with him. And many people from the BJP, lawyers especially, have called privately to say he's right. So the support that has come is enormous. I'm waiting for the first call or for the first expression to take place. I was surprised, but should I be surprised? I don't know. It's an unusual family. You must remember, Bhushan family is not an ordinary family. This family has seen Mrs. Gandhi being brought down. Remember, it was Shanti Bhushan's case which brought Mrs. Gandhi's regime down. So the family has seen ups and downs. It's an amazing family. Where on the dining table you do not discuss about what is good for the family, you only discuss about what is good for the country. So the family has known what Prashant's actions can amount to. That day when I was with the family, Shanti Bhushan ji was laughing with me and saying, "Ye khana to kha lo, agla khana Prashant ko kahan milega pata nahi." So which is not to say they are not concerned. Obviously they are concerned. Wife, children, everyone in the family, they are concerned. But that's not a family where you can say, look, for your own interest, do not do what is in the country's interest. We were in the Supreme Court, Justice Lokur and Justice Ramanna's bench, in a drought petition. We were the petitioners. Swaraj Abhiyan was petitioner against central government and many state governments. And the government's council, central government's council, said something which infuriated Justice Lokur. Prashant felt that Justice Lokur was being unfair to the government. He stood up and said, "No, sir, I think they are unable to present their case properly," and said, "No, sir, actually what they are saying is correct. This is how it should be presented." Now, can you imagine a lawyer who stands up for the opposite party, defends them in the court, and Justice Lokur smiled and said, "Yes, I was wrong. Continue." You know, this is Prashant Bhushan for you. This so complete fairness